Hi fellas, let me welcome you to the video, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can regenerate the WooCommerce default pages by automatically using a WordPress WooCommerce tool that WooCommerce provide us, and secondly we can do the stuff manually by creating manual pages. So before wasting any further time, let me just tell you that I'm just logged into my website, and you can see on the pages section there are no pages over here, just like for example cart page, checkout page, and those pages. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over WooCommerce, and I want you to click on this status. And once you have clicked on status, you need to click on this tools. Over here we have a bunch of tools that WooCommerce comes with, and I want you to see this tool. It's saying create default WooCommerce pages, and I want you to click on this create pages, and I want you to click on OK. And once you clicked on OK, it will create the pages. Let me just show you very quickly that now these pages are back. So this is the one way of doing it. And secondly, if for example if your cart page is not there and you want to create it manually, somehow that WooCommerce tool is not working, in that scenario what we can do is, first of all we need to, it's a best practice to consult WooCommerce documentation. They have pretty good documentation. And what I want you to do, I want you to search out WooCommerce shortcodes, and I want you to click on this first link. It's a WooCommerce documentation. Now we can just copy the shortcodes and open, for example I want to create this card page. What I want you to do is I want you to copy this whole short code, and I want you to click on this add new. And on this add new section, add new page, I want you to give the page a link, a name, sorry. And over here I want you to click on this plus icon, and I want you to search for short code and click on this short code and paste that short code over here, click on publish. And you will see that this will work exactly like a cart page of WooCommerce. So this will be it for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it, and don't forget to click on that bell icon, and don't forget to hit the like icon over under the video, and comment down below if it's not working for you. Let me handle this for you if it's not working. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.